see that great tariff hike or kind of change in Trump administration won't impact them much, and for that they are going to continue that direction of rate cut to also put the economy in a path of recovery. And don't forget that we are seeing that the natural gas price in Europe is also hitting high because of what the sanction on what on on Russia, and also they are saying that if Trump also through the path of hacking tariff, that's also going to shake the fundamental of U.S. economy. Why? Because automatically, if there's a high tariff, that's going to cause cost of production in U.S. also will cost, and cost of goods also will be high. That also what we are looking at. If the Trump really through the path of what hiking kind of tariff or trade war, but China is also saying that they're doing for trade war, that they need us to work with each other as a nation, as a global economy to move forward. But don't forget that Trump has withdrawn US from what for the climate change move. But the good news again is that the same hollow environment we are seeing that some from investors from Japan also going to US already to have what speak now. But private sector has about 500 billion investment in what in AI infrastructure, which is also a plus for that economy. I see that yes, we are seeing that things are working around. And don't forget that if you look back to Trump, first administration when he came, in 2019, you can see the kind of style. That style for me is not likely to continue in this form. Yes, this is last tenure for his office, to be in the office, and automatically you also want to build a relationship. But we are saying that already move to make that peace reign. He also I think that he has okayed the peace deal with Israel and also and Hamas and other stuff, and also preaching a point that if Russia refused also to accept the peace deal of Ukraine, yes, so that will also that. Let's look at how Trump can also come in and see that all these political tensions here and there is slowed down to drive the global economy. The ongoing the global economic summit also give us more of what all these economic leaders and also political leaders are thinking for the global economy in this year. Especially we are seeing that Trump taking the leadership of America. Don't forget that America is one of the world power, and also in terms of the economy. Let's see how they're going to also drive the economy going to the future. But if you look at US market, I think that US market, this one has to speak, is in green. Not only that, we're seeing that the positive numbers that are coming from there also is supporting what the US market. Even also the as I said earlier that the delay to put direction in terms of tariff, or either all players are waiting to see where this will be going. But good news that I tell you that US market also is among those market that has in green, and it's our US market has opened also in a positive light, which is good as we're seeing Netflix earnings coming, Q4 coming to the stronger performance. That also I've seen others before now. These are the things driving the market now. And also I'll tell you that more funds are entering US for investment in the capital market, US capital market, even the bond and the stock market, saying that yes, let's see how Trump policy is going to help the corporate body there, and at the same time drive the economy. People already taking a position ahead of Trump government, as to speak. As at November, we've seen about more than $1 trillion enter the US economy in terms of investment. That also continue as they see the policy direction, and also as also Trump come with executive orders here and there. These are the things that will shape the global economy. But knowing that this is any season, you as a trader investor, it's time for you to look at the environment where you are to see how you can take advantage of that environment by investing wisely as a trader or investor. And that is why we continue to share this on a daily basis, on 3 times in a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so you can know the trend in the market, and also you understanding what is happening in your environment, and also you take action. That is why you must pay attention, because once there's trend change or volatility is still in the market, you need to also adopt a new strategy to invest with that change in strategy, change in momentum and trend. As we speak now, if you look at the global economy, before now, we're seeing that investment has been good. We're already seeing change in what in trend and volatility. How can you as a trader or market player take advantage of this trend, and especially for those that are playing, looking at the market, like I said, that every news that comes to the market, you need to try to play it. And that's why now you need to know what is trend going. Already I wanted to open the live market, but I think that it's still rolling. That's why we are looking at what the trend of Nigeria stock market is now. That's why I have to go back to the market to see what the market is doing right away now. But as I speak now, market is already on a positive move. We're having about 20 buyers and 20 gainers in the market, while the sellers are about 1110 which is also for me is a good one. But let me look at if the chart has also opened, it's going to be a plus for us. To speak is still rolling. Let's quickly see what we can do on this regard. That why is it still rolling? Let me come back here. I think by now you are giving us a position what is happening in the market so that we can think. But good news that our market having a more buyers is a sign that yes, we are seeing continuity of what we have seen at the beginning of the week, that the market remain in this positive territory in our market. For the straight straight 4 days we have seen the market in addition to today, market is also doing a positive. For me, I have no cause to say that market is on the negative direction. Rather, we are seeing the market coming out from what the pullback is suffered as a result of what the high cap stop playing the market for straight 4 days. Now we are seeing the market trying to recover from the last pullback, which is a good sign for us that are in the market. That's why we must pay attention to the market at any given time, so that we can know exactly what the market is doing and take advantage of it. Yes, the market look a bit flat right now, but seeing that the market is marginally down and as a result of what either one or the market is down by negative 0.01, which is for me this significant. Market can turn around the other way. Now we are seeing that we are seeing more buyers in the market than seller. You have to take advantage of that as an investor or trader in the market. That if you are seeing more buyers in the market, it's a good one. You can see the chart here, like I've said earlier, we can make it big to see. Look at this chart now as it's being displayed here. You can see that market was yesterday. We saw a big rally in the high cap stocks. We also put the candlestick up here, and you can see that the trend this morning is also going likely to continue. But now market is at what we call a institution mode in Nigeria here. I've given the state of market across the globe, but Africa we have seen also market develop. But in Nigeria, NGX particularly, the market have been on uptrend there for the past week. That's why I said we must take advantage of what change in trend and change what in moment in volatility, which also change in momentum. Well, so that market as we speak, let me quickly go back to what the chart I was using to look at the market. So that the markets are already crossing what the T line here, which is the red one, up. You can see also our see that MACD is already coming up. Looking at this histogram here, and also let's quickly look at what say that the market has turned on the upward direction already, so that you see it here yourself and understand why it's good to pay attention to all this. If you look at this chart here, you can see that a new uptrend, change in trend. You can see the market has been coming down here. So from here to here, you can see that it's a change in trend. As I say, how to take advantage of what changing what trend and volatility on the NGX. Now that we're seeing change in volatility, as a result of what we saw that the one of the high cap stock, which is MTN, gained yesterday, Transcorp and others cap also gained yesterday. We saw this because of what change in policy what in the sector of telecom because of 50% hike. Not only that, that tells you that the market is likely to close positive. Why? Because if high cap stock continue to look up, to the change, and also we're already at the mid of or more than the mid, almost more than half of the January, where all eyes and what on Q4 numbers and what unaudited account that will come in between now and 31st of January. Because of this money that was going to change the market, already we have seen signs for almost straight 4 days now, in addition to what is happening today. The market is looking up. Once markets really turn this break out this T line, which he has almost tested and broke out yesterday. If that trend continues today, that is the change of trend we are seeing. That you need to follow all this trend. Automatically, when you saw this bullish hammer here, it is a sign. You can see that since the market has been trending up. The same thing has not happened here. If you can look at the same trend here, hammer you saw here, what you see? You see also this trend over here. That means automatically, as we are seeing it here now, what we are going to see on uptrend, we have been a period of any season, you must pay attention to this. That's why I say, let me draw your attention to it. That's why I said, you must not have to take advantage of it. But then you must pay attention to your momentum indicators and also the price action and the flow of funds. Where is the fund flowing? And also in Nigeria, I remember I said that there's a shift, in monetary policy. That means interest rate decision will not come to this economic event will not come this month of January. I'd like to see it in February and between 17 and 18 February. And between now and then, market has a lot of time to put out. If the earnings come and beat expectation, market will react to it. That's why you must pay attention to what is happening in the market. That's why we're seeing marginally flat market now. But I'll tell you that market already has a sign of strength. Having 21 gainers against 11 losers. We're seeing more buyers in position the market than sellers. And that is why, because what all eyes on these numbers to come, I need to position before the number hit the market. That's why we are seeing this change, in the market now. For you have to pay attention to this, because that is the way to go as a trader or investor in the market. Because knowing all this will help you to know exactly what you should do when the market is looking up or when the market is looking down. Because it helps to make what inform investment decision in any market direction. Pay attention to what to this trend and volatility, because that is what creates wealth for us as a trader investor. Once you see that the volatility goes up and down, that's why you buy low and sell high. When there's a change of trend, something that cause that change of trend, you must find out is there a lot of impressive earnings, a lot of change in government policy, whether interest rate was reduced down or is it any policy that changed? Like you see that like I mentioned earlier, I forgot that in China, most of the insurance funds are being channeled now to work to stop there. That also keep the market. Just like here in Nigeria, we are seeing how the policy of government also help to make activities insurance sector here more active by government invested about 1.7 billion on what on life assurance for the military men and also people in the Air Force and all the stuff, and also on the civil servants. All this also about to put a lot of activities for, and also the IG has also met with an icon to enforce a third party insurance, and that also make insurance company to go out there and educate Nigerians more and important of all insurance, third party insurance, and at the same time how they can benefit if anything to encourage more participation. I believe that all these things policy change, you must pay attention to them, because that will also drive the change in trend and volatility. And you see that as a trader investor, you don't need to stay one position about, you have to go for set rotation and also position of your portfolio to look at where is this the sentiment moving to, where is the positive sentiment, where is the flow of funds going to. You must look at all this to make, let us say, you must take advantage of what of the market situation to know this. And that's why today I've mentioned the the state of the market. Let's look at what is the chart telling us in terms of looking at the trend, the change in trend, and also momentum. We quickly call up some of our indicators we're going to use this morning to note for our chart before we go to individual stock to touch them, and also before we conclude for today. Let's call up our money flow index. Our money flow index is very, very important for us. This money flow is like liquidity direction. You need to pay attention. Where is it going? That is very, 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 very important. Our T line, like if we are this class, all this why we know the importance of T line to us. Then our MACD, will make our chart very simple so that you can take attention why the index action or price action is also very, very important. The MACD is also giving more momentum. Why the MFI is saying where is liquidity going? When liquidity is entering a stock or a market, it tells you, what price. That means price is likely to go up. That means we're having more buyers, more funds are going. It's just like also when you see institutional investor investing in, you see also more volume. These are the things that will guide you to know that trend has changed and where the volatility going. How can you tell me to buy low and sell high in any market situation? These are the things you must have at the back of your mind as a trader or investor in any market. Already, we begin the year with us having a plan. That means you must have your trade plan anytime, any day to achieve your goal for the year. And that's out of your goal for 364 days, you bring it first to 90 days, and as you are trading, because you trade day, those are trade 1 hour chart, those are short-term investors, you have goals. As you are trading 1 hour chart, you need to look at other things to be sure that you get what you want to achieve for that day. You have to set targets for yourself, and with having your minimum time, multiple time frames, be able to navigate the market and also because you set goal, once a goal is achieved or met, you don't need to wait, you don't need to flow back on. You must know exactly when to take your profit, because the same market that put your profit can equally break it down, because nobody has 100% control and no liquidity in the market can tell that it will remain in that market. It will hopefully move for where it can get better return. Also, that means people that enter the market can also move to another investment window opportunity. I believe that these are the things that in this year, especially, we're going to go through look at how to study the change in trend and also change in market volatility to help you make what informed investment decision. Yes, we change our T line to 8 days moving average exponential, which is very, very important. You can see here now, if you look at the T line here, yesterday market, literally above it, and this morning, even as the market is flat here, you can see it here, the market is also slightly above the T line. But only that the money flow yesterday closed at almost at 63.06. Now it's already at what 59, which is good for me. It's also looking up again. We're likely to see the momentum in the market is also likely to change. But as I speak now, I've been reading at 59.9. That is, and also I see that MACD is already telling us a change in momentum after seeing that this one is already accelerating up. If you look at this histogram here, there's the longer one here, shorter and shorter. As you move like this, it's also telling that things are changing, and it also reflects the change in what in the index action as we speak now, looking up again. That's why we must see what to guide you to what to see that there's a change in what in trend and a change in moment. Also, you can see that I said always that your T line serve as what as resistance and support. I always emphasize it in any class that you know already when it is above the T line, that is you're having a strong momentum. Now consider that strength is already coming back more gradually. That's called the T line. It's just to sustain the uptrend above the T line that the strength like it's back again fully in the market. But to break out this level, that's where a new trend will continue. But I believe that if the numbers were expecting beat expectation, I'm giving sight of those that will be paying dividend between February and March, that also changed the move on the market. Like I said earlier, that they were adjusted MPC meeting that would have rattled follow with interest rate for April 60 February. Now market can rally see that before another MPC meeting comment where decision on rate will also be taken come February 18, 2025. But I believe that this will guide you to know that you must follow the trend. Now that we're saying that trend is about to change, you can see the volatility. Yesterday some stock gained 10%, but this morning we're still looking at them. But that's why you must set your target to take profit anytime. Don't be carried away with that up market. Pay attention to what the market is doing, and also take lead on it as a trader or investor. And this is what we're saying here. But let's look at time frames to look at this market. Already we have seen on a 1-day chart. Now looking at the 1-hour chart. On 1-hour chart, I see that the market is already above the T line. So that's why the market is kind of consolidating or trending on the 1-hour time frame. Now you can see it here. The money flow is already within 70, but looking up marginally, and MACD have confirmed kind of confirmed and a strong market, strong moment, because MACD is very bullish at this point, trading above what the signal line is a bullish sign on 1-hour chart, which is also good for me. You can quickly check other time frame for the market. You can quickly look at what is 15-minute chart saying. More the same thing as that market is flat on the market. Money flow is already within 64. This 15 minutes, and MACD is also, you can see in this state, MACD is also marginally, it is also a bit bearish on 15-minute chart. That's why I now come back to say what is the 2-hour chart saying on what on the market. So what I say also say that the market is also the index is below the T line. You can see it here. The breakout of it also sorry, it's above it. You can see it here. The market is above the T line. The market can see it here that was since the signs here. I'll put is a good one. And money flow coming out from oversold region gradually. There is a time for you to take position. Looking up, you can see that there was in a hand and cup here, cup and handle pattern. Looking at the money flow line already. For me, it's a good one. And MACD are going to sign that this market is about to go up. You can see the change of trend. I'm telling you, look at the signal, the histogram, look at the way it accelerated up. Once the blue line crosses the red line, that will give you an upgrade. That is all to say. Pay attention to what changing world trend and volatility. You can see all the way the market has been coming down, but here after the gathering momentum, you can see that the market was flat almost here. Now they are broken on the T line up on 2-hour start. You can see that MACD is set to cross the signal line. That will confirm the bullish or nature of bull market or market with strength in any moment from now. But finally, we look at the 4-hour start for the index. Before look at some stock now to see how they are performing in the market before we not conclude about the market this morning or the live chart this morning. If you look at the market on 4-hour chart, the same trend that is flat on the T line now. That's the way the market is right away, and MACD is also already building the same momentum, which is a good one. Why money flow is there looking down to read around 59.2 now as we speak on 4-hour start right away. But quickly look at the stocks that will pay attention to see what is happening in these stocks. Quickly start from Owando first. Start from Owando. Look at the chart for Owando. Let's see the price action for Owando, what it's saying right now. On a 4-hour chart, we are seeing that Owando is trading above the T line. Yes, you can see that it's trying to resist decline with the tested candlestick we are seeing here. For money flow, it's reading almost 69.5. For me, it's a good one for the stock, and MACD is bullish on what on 4-hour chart. Quickly look at a 1-hour chart for the stock. One hour chart also try to resist decline. You can see it here, down here, but up again around the 71.40 as we speak. While money flow is flat around our 68 on what on 1 hour chart. MACD is not looking good. MACD is still bearish here. But let's look it down on 1 hour chart for the stock. But the good is that we're seeing a trend changing here after pulling back to around 68. It tested it here, tried to go back. We expect that this market should also go up. But let's pay attention and see how far the stock will go. After it has tested again 78, we saw kind of market pulling back. But once able to rebound, now that it's always struggling to not to go below resisting decline, once able to sustain the uptrend, that will also change the face of the stock. We quickly also go to look at what is happening in Honeywell and Prestige this morning. Honeywell and Prestige or honey flower, let me call it. Let's see how far it will go. See 68 and 9 and 9, you can see it here now. But the good that money flow is looking up on 1 hour chart, while the MACD is positive. You can see that it's above the signal line, which is good one, and money flow is looking up. But with this money flow, we tell you that I'm not reading 41. We tell you that the stock still have opportunity to go up, and don't forget that market is expecting. Even if you look at the chart pattern, also look at what kind of chart pattern is it forming. The what we call symmetrical chart pattern. When you see this, you understand what I mean. If that is what the chart is forming now, how can you take advantage of that? You need to also pay attention to it. Let me see let me take it here. Starting from here. At this point, this will call symmetrical triangle. At this point, you can see that comment down here, there's a number. This place become closer, either a breakout here or breakdown. Once it breakout, it tested almost at 12 naira before. Once it breakout, it's likely to go. And also, the corporate action or news will likely come anytime. Once it comes, it's likely to change. You can see that the stock is also forming. You can see that the green edge before it's changing now. You can see that the money flow is looking up. We're seeing this trend. You can see that we're having a good volume now, most significantly above my average traded volume on the buy position or on the 1 hour chart. For me, it's a good one for the stock. For those at this position, you also have to wait and hold your position. Further look at what is happening in Transcorp. I mentioned Prestige. Let's pay attention to Transcorp now. Let's look at what is happening in Transcorp, because that stock has a lot of value to deliver for design investors that pay attention to that stock. I'm not talking of Transcorp Power or Hotel. I'm talking of Transcorp Corporation of Nigeria. Let's see at the stock. You can see this stock on 1 hour chart has gone as high of almost today. It has taken almost 53 before pulling back now to around 51 again right now. So all the money flow is looking down on 1 hour, and let's focus look at to see what the stock is doing. See what the stock is doing now is very, very important for every investor. And the Transcorp is already looking above the T line here on 1 hour on a day chart. Sorry, money flow is reading 83, which is good. But MACD is already looking at becoming bearish, looking at MACD. This is the state of the market for Transcorp. But let quickly, I mentioned Prestige before, I forgot that will be the last for today. Let's look at what Prestige is doing right now. Let's see what Prestige is doing. Getting to know what Prestige is doing in the market will be very good, as we're seeing a sentiment for insurance company, and these are local stocks that are also seeing positive earnings coming from them. We saw a better number for Q3 for Prestige. How can you take advantage of this better number? It's also good. But if you look at the chart on a day chart, you can see that the stock, looking money flow is looking down to below 15 around 49, and we're seeing that MACD is also looking up. You can see it here. That was also good. MACD is becoming positive for me. That means reversal for this stock is very, very near. But let's look at other time frame. Look at 1 hour chart for stock. Whatever I can see that there's also demand from it. It has tested almost 139 to 140 this morning, and we're seeing that MACD is also coming down on 1 hour chart. That's it here. Either a reversal or continue to go in the southward direction. But for this stock that was seeing positive sentiment for the industry, once able to break out this 160, that will also confirm a new trend. Now that it's way between 140, 142, and 138, 137. Let's keep our eyes on this stock and watch for us to take advantage of the price movement. I believe that the midday market just this afternoon. Let's wait what afternoon look like. But the general market is looking a bit mixed. We're seeing more price in the market, but while index is flat, and also we're seeing less sellers. People are looking at value stock to position ahead of numbers as we speak. For me, if you are really taking advantage of the market, it's the time to buy to value and not just to complain or to panic. Pay attention to to where the fund is actually starting to trend and volatility. On this note, I will say thank you. See you on Friday. Enjoy the rest of your trading day. Bye.